Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm gonna be doing a simple makeup look, not that dramatic, just really simple with some nice bold brown lips. So if you guys want to see the tutorial on this video, keep watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe M518 brush, and I'm taking my Morphe Babe palette in 35M, and I'm gonna be going in this light shade of brown and going in my crease and going in circular motions. So now I'm going to be going in my Morphe M503 brush, and I'm going to go in with this shimmer brown, and I'm going to be patting it all over the eyelid. I'm going to be going back in with the light shade brown. So now I'm going to be going with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to be going in my Eyelure Vegas Nay Mink Lashes. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. I'm not sure, but this is the box. That's the box. Okay, so now I put them on, and now I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer. Ooh, this feels so like fresh. If we want our foundations to look glowy, she says to rub it in with the Pro Filter concealer. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, bro, this feels so refreshing. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna be going in with my Tarte concealer in the shade medium. Now I'm gonna be going in my Dermablend illuminating I'm gonna be going in my Dermablend illuminating banana powder. I'm gonna be baking. I'm gonna let that sit for about a minute, and then I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm gonna bronze. Okay, be right back. So now I'm gonna be going with my Too Faced dark chocolate bronzer. I'm gonna be going in this shade, in the Fenty Beauty lipstick, matte lipstick. Okay, so now that is my finished look. If you guys liked the video, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!